Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox and actually show you some images of this camera I got from AliExpress, which is pretty cool for the price. It's a full, PAM and tilt sort of a camera, wireless, outdoors, waterproof. So again, let's unpack this one. I already installed one and this is the second one, so I'm just use this one to show you how it looks like. Comes well protected in the box. Actually, the shipping was very quick, and the cost of the shipping was also not bad at all. So operations pretty easy. Use the software or this app available on for Android and iOS called ICC. It might work in others. I didn't try yet. Comes with a cloud offering for the images, and it does include like a 1 month free. And actually the price for the year is very good. It's about I think it's $15 for the year for a week of recording, if I don't mistake. Anyway, this is an option. You can order with or without the power adapter. I order with US prongs. It is 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, and the output is 12 volts, 2 amps. That's a regular, power supply. The only criticism I have on this power supply is that it could have a longer wire, right? Sometimes the camera is high and the outlet is low, so you're gonna have to put some sort of a power extension to work with that, if you will. This is really short compared with the other cameras I had, such as the Foscams or I forgot the brand of the other one. Anyway, all the other cameras I had. So the camera itself is pretty big, as you can see, right? Let me show you here. That's the camera right there. Let me just show you what comes on the box also. You do have a sort of a wire cover or something like that. If you come from the wall straight, you can probably seal that with this. And also it comes with screws and anchors for the outside wall or inside wall. We're gonna use this, okay? So that's all it comes in the package. So the camera itself, again, let me show you that. It works like this, right? On the upside down like this. This portion here, let me just come back a little bit with zoom and show you here how it looks like. Hold on one second. Okay, so this is the portion that goes to the wall. The antennas are built in, so you have to work around the antennas to actually, put the hole and actually the screws and the screwdriver over here, kind of move them out of the way, and then you put them back. They are kind of fixed here. This is how the back looks like. You can see it's insulated. The wires are already all connected, and you have here a RJ45 if you want to do wired versus wireless. By the way, it's a 2.4 gigahertz only camera, okay? But it works pretty well. And this is another connector here. This is the power connector. The reset is pretty hidden somewhere over here, and also you find a where is that? Well, I know there is here somewhere. Okay, I have to find where it is. There's a place, actually, right here. There is a place here for a micro SD card. Again, it's sealed, right, from the weather. So you put okay, that's the reset right there. Okay, that's reset, push button. And the micro SD is locked. And this camera, let me show you how this thing actually works fine. Give me 1 second. I'll move the camera to the side and actually put my iPhone for a real view of a camera that I have outside already. You can see here that this is SD, I can go to HD, and the image gets even better, more details on that. What I really like, and to do that I need to actually move a little. You can talk to someone, you can have pre-programmed images or sound, I'm sorry, to talk to, alarms or messages or warnings, whatever you would like to record. There are some pre-recorded messages. You can take a snapshot. This can go to the cloud. let me just go back here and give me 1 second to move this application to the other side. I just wanted to show you everything I have here. Okay, so that's the application right there, right? As I know, some things here are interesting. First of all, I use the dark mode on iOS, and the latest revision has some incompatibility with that, as you can see, or better, as you cannot see, but I know where those things are already. So this is, you can run in clear mode anyway, and not many people run in dark mode like I do. But you can see here the alarm, and on the alarm you can trigger a few things, but the main thing I like to do is show you this alert area. You can actually create an area, right? And I did here with those, let me see if you can see those little dots over here. You can actually drag those dots to the point, and anything on that specific area will trigger an alarm, and you can actually customize for a human shape. So no false alarms on this thing. The only thing that I would like to see here would be actually a real alarm on my end, right? I mean, when there is a warning or an alarm, I can see, I do receive an alert, but it's not like, you know, it's a normal alert like a text or something from anybody. I would like to see that if I were at sleep or something, I would have a louder alarm on my end. Like I said, the camera itself has a built-in loudspeaker, and that will put a very loud alarm, and lights also. This is the infrared light you're seeing right now, but when you, let me do a save on this little adjustment I've done here. But when you are actually, you know, going, if there is actually an actual alarm over here, what will happen is the lights, blank, you know, kind of a light, real lights will come up together with alarm if you want the sound, and any subject in this area will actually be color, right? This is infrared. When the alarm is triggered, the real lights will come up, and the subject will be fully illuminated. So it also acts as a deterrent by itself. Again, this is the ZY-Security camera. They have many models. You know, fixed models. This one is, you can, like I said, you can tilt back and down, left and right. I think it's a very wide, you know, don't remember if it's maybe 170 or 170 degrees side to side, and probably close to 90 degrees up and down. You can pick up almost anything, and a couple of these cameras may be well positioned. You cover the entire perimeter of your house. Price wise, they are not expensive. You know, shipped, it's in the range of maybe 45 bucks or so to the US from China. Again, I got those from AliExpress, and I'm pretty happy with those cameras so far. Okay, thanks so much, and if you like this channel, please subscribe to it. Click on the little bell there to be to get a warning when I put a new video, and I welcome also any comments on the text below. Thank you so much. Bye.